this is where it grows. This is a rice field here. We are here now in central Hubei province.
We just arrived at home, and like on the way to here, we also have a lot of rice here, fresh rice. I hope I can also taste some fresh rice from this year. Actually, we wanted to take a bus, but the taxi driver offered us a good deal to go here directly, so we took the taxi to drive home directly. So now we're here, and we will stay here for 1 week, and I will show you around on the other days.
Before the rice will be dried and sold, this is where it grows. This is a rice field here. We are here now in central Hubei province, and here they don't have the rice terraces, maybe you've already seen on TV. Here it's grown here on the floor, on fields. For example, here there's still some rice left, and here they already harvested it. So this is the place where the rice comes from. So this, what you see behind me, is actually sesame. So it's also grown here, and it will be stacked like this to dry it before further processing it.
So the harvest of the rice is already done, and it also dried. So now the people come to load it on trucks, weigh it, and then it's ready for selling. So the next task is put the rice all together at one place, that it's easier to put it on a truck. Okay, the rice now has been filled in bags, and with even amounts, and now we got our bags, which will be just for the family to eat for this year, and they put it outside of the house, and we have to put it in the kitchen now, where we will store it until we need it. Now all of the rice is gone, and I also had a shower, because when you work with rice, it will get very itchy on your body, so you have to have a shower very fast, otherwise you will feel it every other day. So hopefully I will not feel it tomorrow, because I had the shower. The mother of my wife is now at the place where she can sell the rice, and I'm just waiting for dinner getting ready. Maybe you're wondering what this little building is. Actually, this is the toilet, how it looks like for most of the buildings here in the village. So on the left side there's the Chinese character for women, and on the right side there's the Chinese character for men, so it's also separated in these outside toilets. When you have a look around here at the village, you see then there is also a small pond where there are some fish. Last time I've been here there was no water inside, but now they have water again and also have fish again. So they not only have their own rice, not only have their own vegetable in the backyard, but also some fish here. So the farmers have actually everything they need here in the village. And there are also some small shops where you can get other things like toothpaste, paper, water in bottles, or other things. My Chinese family not only has their own rice and farms rice, but also have their own cotton. So they also have some cotton fields where they will plant it, harvest it, and then sell it.
So now I have to go to the supermarket, and to go there I will take the electric scooter. So to go there faster and it's more convenient. So I will take you for on a ride with the electric scooter through the village. Enjoy the ride.
Here in the back you can see the yellow bus, and this bus is for all of the children who have to go to the kindergarten. In the morning, very early, around 6 o'clock, this bus drives through the villages and picks up all of the children, and then in the afternoon it brings them back. And they always play some music so that everybody has to know they have to come out and bring their children or get their children. So yeah, already at 6 o'clock in the morning you can hear the music of the kindergarten bus. So there's something very interesting here in the villages. The whole day there are people riding on motorbikes or some other small vehicles, and usually they scream what they sell. So they have different kind of food or different kind of things which they sell or buy, and you can just walk to the road there, stop them, and then get what you need. So for example, we got some food here. It's made of rice, fried on one side. It tastes pretty good, and you can have it here in the villages, but more important, they will also bring it to the workers on the fields so that they can get something to eat there. So that's something very cool here in the villages.
This is my life in a Chinese village.